Hello tribers, welcome to another vlog. In today's vlog, we are going to be making sweet potato chips. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Kindly click the like button, comments, watch video to the end, ask your questions. Also hit the subscribe button to subscribe and also hit the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. So welcome back guys. Get your potatoes, you either wash before you start peeling or you peel and then wash. I prefer to go the second route. I first of all peel and then wash because immediately after washing I have to drain it, then I start frying. So I'm using this crinkle cutter to give it this particular shape. You can see the shape I'm giving it in the video. Crinkle cutter can be found in markets, kitchen utensil shops, or even online vendors. They also sell this crinkle cutter. You can use anything to give it any shape you want, but I personally liked this shape and I wanted it this way. If you watched up to this point, thank you very much. So I'm done frying, I have plated it and I'm going to pair it with this tomato sauce, seasoned tomato sauce. It was actually very delicious. Thank you for watching.